Fiona Borseño.
I am Justin Antonio. So for today's, we're going to discuss the parts and function of dome rack and comb rack.
Good day everyone. I-discuss natin yung major components ng isang air conditioning unit, yung functions, tsaka yung importance niya. Pa-follow up din natin yung detailed explanation ng refrigeration cycle or yung core process na nag-aalaw sa ating air conditioner na makapagpalamig ng isang space o lugar. So, meron po tayong mga major components sa ating air conditioning unit. Nandito yung compressor, condenser coil, expansion device or yung capillary tube or expansion valve. Nandito yung evaporator coil, blower or indoor fan, yung condenser fan, refrigerant. Ayan ang mga major components ng ating air conditioning unit. So start po tayo sa ating first component. Ito ang compressor. Yung compressor po is yung kino-consider na heart ng ating air conditioning system. Ang main function po nito is mag-compress ng refrigerant gas. Ini-increase niya yung pressure at yung temperature. Ang importance po ng compressor is ina-enable niya yung refrigerant na mag-circulate throughout the system. Nire-raise niya yung pressure para yung heat ma-release sa condenser. Pag wala ang compressor natin, yung refrigeration natin cannot occur. Our next component naman is ating condenser coil. Usually, nalolocate ito sa outdoor unit o yung back ng ating window type ECUs. Ang function nito is mag-release ng heat na na-absorb galing sa indoor air into surrounding environment. As the hot pressure refrigerant passes through the condenser coil, kinu-cool down nito and changes from gas into liquid. So, ang importance ng ating condenser coil, nire-remove niya yung heat from refrigerant. Inaalaw niya yung refrigerant natin na ma-condense into liquid form. In-ensure niya yung system natin is efficient and prevent yung overheating. Next naman po ay ang ating expansion device or yung capillary tube, expansion or expansion valve. So, ang ating expansion device or yung ating expansion valve, isa siyang capillary tube or yung thermostatic expansion valve. Kinokontrol nito yung flow ng refrigerant natin nag-enter sa evaporator. Ang main function po nito is yung i-reduce niya yung pressure tsaka yung temperature ng ating liquid refrigerant bago ito mag-enter sa ating evaporator. Ang importance ng device na to is yung i-regulate yung refrigerant flow niya. Yan, maintains yung correct pressure tsaka yung ensure natin yung proper cooling performance niya. So, in case na ang component natin is ma-block or ma-damage, yung ECU natin pwede siyang maka-experience ng poor cooling o yung icing problems. Next naman po nating component is yung ating evaporator coil. Nalolocate naman po to sa inside ng indoor unit. Ang function po nito is mag-absorb ng heat from the indoor air. Yung low pressure liquid refrigerant nag-enter sa evaporator. Habang nag-absorb ng heat ang evaporator, nag-evaporate into gas yung ating refrigerant. Ang importance po ng evaporator coil natin is directly responsible po siya for cooling the room. Na-absorb niya yung heat ng indoor air, tsaka yung sinusupport niya rin yung humidity reduction. Pag madumi ang ating evaporator coil, nagli-lead ito sa reduced airflow o kaya ng poor cooling and yung ice formation ulit. So as you can see, ito yung isa pa sa pinakamahalaga na component ng ating ECU, ang dalawang fan natin. Ang indoor fan, una, yung fan ng ating evaporator coil. Dinidistribute nito yung cold air throughout the room. Ini-ensure nito yung air distribution, katulad na sabi ko kanina, and ini-improve yung cooling efficiency. Mini-maintain din nito yung consistent room temperature. Yung nasa back naman po natin is yung condenser fan. Ito yung nag-a-assist sa ating condenser coil para expel yung heat to the outside environment. Yan. Ayun nga, sabi ko kanina, ini-improve niya yung heat dissipation, tsaka ine-prevent yung compressor sa overheating. Tsaka ini-enhance niya yung overall system efficiency. So sana may natutunan kayo sa ating video. So yun lang. Thank you.